Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, entertainment gossip, celebrity gossip. If you're someone who likes some gossip, this is the channel for you. Guys, like one thing about Dr. Matthew. Dr. Matthew follows the saying yokuthi indoda ingcwa namhlanje kusasa iphinde ivuke, because uguy uvukile, like he doesn't even care what he was accused of being a fake doctor, accused of scamming people. He is back with another business, guys, and this time around he is making us fools nje. This time around he is making us fools, guys, without even thinking twice nje. Angifuni ukungasho. Dr. Matthew is back again on the social streets. He launched, I don't know if it was a launch or the introduction, he introduced his new face products, his new face what skincare line. He was on TikTok doing this video. This person is just undermining us. He is clearly undermining our intelligence, because what this guy took a marking pen and decided to make marks on his face, ne? And then said this is the before, and don't, my skin was so bad. And then he wiped those marks and took his phone, and he was like, this is the after, trying to demonstrate what his skincare products really work. He didn't even change the t-shirt, sana, he was still wearing the same t-shirt. So meaning ukuthi thina yithi esihlanyayo yena urights enhloko, and then he posted this before and after pictures and videos. Like, Dr. Matthew, don't you get tired, my brother? Don't you get tired? And when I was checking the comments, guess and okay, some people really saw good. This is fake. You are still wearing the same t-shirt, still the same background. This thing happened within an hour, Sana. And then some people are like, how do we order? How do we order? I'm like, hey, guys, even the pictures of the skincare, and you can see what these pictures are AI generated. But people are just like, how do we order? How do we order? Oh my god, they work. And I'm like, hi guys, like sana, no. And Dr. Matthew, ever since we've known him, he didn't even have those marks. And it's like a lot of people have been asking, what did I use for my skin since I had bad marks? Where? Marks where? Because he never had any marks, sana, ever since we've known him. So, Sana, I'm not sure what he was serious about launching this new business idea because the pictures were AI generated, or he wants people to send money and pretend that he is sending out orders to take people's money, or he was just joking, Sham. Maybe he was just joking and then people took it seriously, because Sana, even a blind person can see what those pictures are AI generated, you know. Dr. Matthew, you don't get tired, Sana. You had the chance to redeem yourself, but what did you do? You are back again, scamming people. And as in, what makes me even mad is that some people are falling for it. They are there by the comments asking, how do we order? How do we order? Why don't you answer when we want to order? Order what? He doesn't answer because he doesn't have the products, Sana. What do you want to order? Like, yo, Dr. Matthew. Dr. Matthew. Hey, I wonder if there are people who are going to be ordering these products. Sana angazi nje, but nje sana azikiphi. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.